Absolutely phenomenal financial fashionistas. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. And welcome to another incredibly flavorful edition of Taco Tuesday. I'm so thrilled to blend a serious savings with the most delicious financial wisdom today. It's like we're preparing our gourmet meal for our future selves. Today's mouthwatering menu features our Zesty Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge that's going to add so much flavor to our financial lives, following our enduring story of our pig who discovered the biggest financial challenge isn't making money, it's learning when to spend it and when to save it, and celebrating our enlightening pig who realized that the richest memories comes from experiences that money can't buy, but money can definitely make possible. There's something absolutely satisfying about this culinary approach to finances. Just like a skilled chef knows the secret ingredient isn't just what you add, but what you choose to leave out. We're learning that financial abundance isn't just about what we earn, but about what we consciously choose to save and invest. So let's gather our gorgeous cash envelopes, prepare our counting station like we're setting up for a 5-star dining experience, and create a savings session that's as nurturing for our future as it is delightful for our present moment. Today for Taco Tuesday variable savings, because remember, we do put money aside for our Taco Tuesday savings because we do know what to expect there. We've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, $198 available to us to stuff into our variable savings challenges. And let's start out with none other than Taco Tuesday. Today in our Taco Tuesday Savings Challenge, of course, we will be saving $22 because today is the 22nd of July. Let's grab our $22 and see how much we've saved thus far in Taco Tuesday. This year we have $400 in our surplus reserve. And in addition to that, we have 20, 25, 26, 27, $427 that we have saved with Taco Tuesday. That shows us exactly how intentionally saving small, tiny amounts, just based on the day of the month, can truly add up. Now let's check in on our girlfriend, Georgette. Georgette wants to save, but loves to spend. Let's take our page out to make things a little bit easier for us today. And we will be scratching off 2 of our scratch offs. We're gonna start right up here. And today we are saving a total of $2 for that scratch off. And our last scratch off of today, we will go right here. Our last scratch off of this challenge today is going to end spicy. It's a 9, so we're going to put a 1 back and get a 10. So now we've saved $11 on this side. And now it's time to have some fun. Are we going to go through the whole thing like last time in order to get a tic-tac-toe? Or are we going to get a tic-tac-toe right out the gate? Let's sit our rolling tray right here on top. So now we can see the rolling tray and our tic-tac-toe board. We are rolling a total of 4 times today. We got a 1. So since we have a 1, we can go or here. Let's get this middle one out the way because we know that that one has to be possibly scratched off for quite a few of them. And right out the gate, we got a ×2. So let's see what we are multiplying. And we got 4. And for 4, we can go here or here. Let's go right here. And we have a box. Our box is worth $2. So we're going to multiply by 2, and we're going to get 4 for this one and 2 for this one. So we're going to save a total of $6. 5 and 6. We have 2 more rolls. Let's see what we're going to do. We've got a 3. For 3, we can go here, and we've already gone here. So let's go up here. We got ourselves another box, so we're saving $2. 1, 2. Now let's see if we get a tic-tac-toe on this last roll. To get here, we would need a 4 or a 6, and to get here, we would need a 1 or a 6. What are we going to get? We got a 2. So for the 2, we would go here or here because our other 2 is right here, and we've already done that one. Let's go right here. We found our first star on this board, which is worth $5. And we did not get a tic-tac-toe today, but we did get the honor of saving quite a bit. So on our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, we saved 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, $24 today. Let's get this page back in our binder and see how much we've saved total this month in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. All right, and in our challenge today, we have 900 in high yield savings, 100 in surplus reserve. So that's $1,000 that we have already saved this year with Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. And we've got 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $101. So you guys, we get to upgrade this to a $200 placeholder. Let's get this into our surplus reserve and get that $200 placeholder going. We're going to change our entry to $200 for this challenge. And now we've got $1,742 in here. And let's see if we have a $200 placeholder. And we do. So now we've got a placeholder to signify our $200. And let's get these funds in here. We've got 150, place it in here where the 50s go. Plus this 20 gives us 70. This 10 gives us 80. 5, these 2 5s give us 90. Oh, 3 5s, 95. And we've got 5 $1 bills here to make this $100 that we've added to our surplus reserve. Now we've got 900 in high yield savings, 200 in surplus reserve for $1,101 that we've saved thus far this year doing Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend. Now let's move on over to our Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things. And in our challenge today, this is our 3rd week, and we will scratch off 2 more of these. Let's do this window up here. And we're saving $1. And let's do the door down here. For our door, we are saving $9. So let's put this one back and get a 10. Now on the back, we will be saving another $10. Let's put our 10 here. And give me a moment. I'm going to speed it up while I color. We will do a hat for $5, a pretzel for $1, which makes 6, and 2 beer mugs for $2 each, which gives us 10. All right, we have colored 1 hat, 1 pretzel, and 2 beer mugs for $10. Today in Life of a Pig Who Wants to Collect Memories, Not Things, we have saved a total of $20. Now that we've paid off our prior travel, we are now allowing this money to compound. And so we've got 50, 60, 70, 80, $81 that we've saved thus far for future travel. And there you have it, another absolutely delectable Taco Tuesday cash stuffing session that's left us feeling completely satisfied and nourished. Just like the perfect meal achieves that beautiful balance of flavors, textures, and satisfaction, you're achieving the most gorgeous balance between enjoying today and preparing for an even more delicious tomorrow. Our picky friends continue to remind us that the most fulfilling financial life comes from understanding that money is simply a tool for creating the experiences and security that feed our souls. Thank you for joining me for today's incredibly rich financial feast, my amazing financial fashionistas. Remember that building wealth is like developing your palate. It takes time to appreciate the subtle flavors of compound interest and the satisfaction of delayed gratification and the pure joy of financial freedom seasoned with your own unique values and dreams. This is Joy with Joyful Budgeting Co. reminding you that your financial recipe should be carefully crafted and deeply satisfying as your grandmother's secret family dish. Stay absolutely fabulous. Keep those envelopes growing like a flourishing herb garden, and I'll see you next time for more savings inspiration that's as deliciously rewarding as it is beautifully achievable.